Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing CBSE Class 8 Chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals. We are moving on to the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon. What is the sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon? If it is n-sided polygon or if it is 3-sided, 4-sided, 5-sided, etc. n-sided polygon, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon, it is 360 degree. Sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. That means here I have drawn a 5-sided polygon. So I can say that angle 1 plus, these are the exterior angles, outside angles. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360. Or if I am drawing a 3-sided polygon means it is a triangle. In the case of a triangle also, so here this is the exterior angle, this is another second exterior angle, and this is the third exterior angle. So 1, 2, 3. So you can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equal to 360. So for any number of sides of polygon, any polygon, we can write that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon, it is equal to 360 degree. Now we will move on to the questions. So we will do one question. Find measure of x. A figure is given here. This angle is given as 50 degree, this angle 90 degree, and this angle is given as x, and this is 110 degree. So how much is the value of x? So we know that these all exterior angles, all the sum of exterior angles equal to 360. So that means here 90 plus 50 plus 110 plus x equal to 360, or x equal to 360 minus, adding this is 110 plus 50 is 160, 160 plus 90 is 250. So 360 minus 250, which is equal to 110 degree. So this exterior angle is 110. Now next one, find the number of sides. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon. We have to find out the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. So we don't know the number of sides, but we know one exterior angle is 45 degree. One exterior angle is equal to 45 degree, and we know that sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. So in order to find out the number of sides, we can divide 360 total exterior angle by one exterior angle is 45 degree. So dividing 360 by 45 means 8. So it is an 8-sided polygon. The polygon has 8 sides. So next we will move on to the exercise questions. Exercise 3.2. First one, find x in the following figures. So given here, this angle is 125 degree, this angle is x, and this is 125 degree. We have to find out how much is x. We know that sum of the exterior angles together it is 360. So 125 plus 125 plus x, it's all in degrees, equal to 360 degree. So x equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, that is equal to 110 degrees. So this exterior angle is equal to 110 degree. Now that second one, that B, sub question B. A 5-sided polygon is given there. This is the polygon given. It is not a regular polygon, but it is a 5-sided figure. And here given this angle is 70 degree. Then here this is what you have to find it. And here this is 60 degree. And here marked as 90 degree. So sum of exterior angles of a polygon. And here also given that this angle is 90. So definitely we know that this angle is also 90, because if one side is 90, other side is also 90, because it is a straight line. So sum of exterior angles equal to 360. So all the exterior angle means 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. So how much is x? X equal to 360 minus, we have to add all these and take it to the other side. Here 180 plus 70 plus 60 is 130. So that is 360 minus 180 plus 130, 310. So remaining that angle will be 50 degrees. Now question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. That first one, 9 sides. So find the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon. So having 9 sides. If it is a 9-sided polygon, how much will be one exterior angle? One exterior angle is equal to, total exterior angle is 360 divided by 9, that is equal to 40 degree will be one exterior angle. Then second one, 15 sides. 15 sides means one exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 15, that is equal to 24 sides, 24 degrees. Then question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So one exterior angle is 24. Number of sides equal to 360 divided by 24, that is equal to 15 sides. Then next question, question number 4. how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Each of its interior angle is 165 degree. So that means n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So number of total sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180, and one interior angle will be n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, and that is given as 165. Or we can do it in another method also, that is one interior angle is 165. For any polygon, one interior angle is 165 means one exterior angle will be, two methods are there, 180 minus 165, that is equal to 15. So whichever method it is easy for you, that method you can opt. So I think the second method will be easy, finding out what is one exterior angle, and we need to find out number of sides. Number of sides equal to 360 divided by 15, that is equal to 24. So in this method also we will get the same answer by cross multiplying, simplifying the equation. That is, you can multiply this, open the bracket, take this n to this side, you will get the same value for n. Question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon? Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree. So is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? So we'll find out how many sided polygon it is. That is, total exterior angle is 360 divided by one exterior angle is 22. So it is not exactly divisible. So we can say that this number of sides, we cannot find out the number of sides. We cannot find, we will not get the correct number of sides. That is, n is not a natural number here. So it is not possible. Just to write, it is not possible because we are not getting a correct value for n. It is not possible. I hope you understood what is the reason. Because 360 divided by 22, if we are getting the number of, if it is exactly divisible, then only we can say that this many number of sides. Number of sides cannot be some other decimals or fractions. Can only a natural number. Then, that the second sub question, can it be an interior angle? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? What is the reason for it cannot, whether it is an interior angle of a regular polygon? So how much will be the interior angle? Interior angle is equal to 180 minus 22 degree, which is equal to 158 degree. Now 360 is the total exterior angle. So here it is given that exterior angle is 22. So 180 minus 22 is 158. So interior angle is 158. So whether the question is whether can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon. It cannot be an interior angle of a regular polygon. What is the reason? Reason is the same. That is 158 divided, that is 360 divided by 158 is not a natural number. That's the only reason for not becoming, because we are not getting a natural number. That's the reason. Then next one, what is the minimum interior angle? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? Minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Smallest regular polygon is an equilateral triangle, and there each interior angle is 60 degree. Each one is 60 degrees, so that is the minimum interior angle. So regular polygon, the smallest regular polygon is equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, one angle is equal to 60 degree, and that is the minimum interior angle. Then the second question, what is the maximum exterior angle? Maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. For a regular polygon, maximum exterior angle means this is the smallest regular polygon. So if this angle is 60 degree, then the outside angle will be 120 degree, and this is the maximum. So since this is the smallest polygon possible, regular polygon possible, here we can see that this will be the greatest maximum exterior angle. So 120 degree is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So that's all from that exercise. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.